Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. It is raining like every day in Delhi. We are enjoying the rain as well as the plants. Okay, today I will talk about the total cure of a vegetable plant. Can you all recognize what baby plant is this? I think some of you know what plant is this. This is the eggplant. The eggplant is also known as the brinjal plant. Look, our baby brinjal plant has grown into a big plant and my mom has repotted it. You also have to repot your plant only if it has 2 leaves. Growing eggplant or brinjal in containers requires 12 to 14 inches of space per plant. Every year, my mom plants eggplant or brinjal in a pot of 12 to 14 inches. But this year, she planted the eggplant or brinjal in a small pot, like 8 inches. My mom did this with a special technique. The technique is my mom is using the slowly released organic fertilizer for the pot. Now I will talk about the basic needs of eggplant care. The first is about the light. Eggplants are sun lovers. Make sure they get at least 6 hours of direct sunlight on most days. The next one is about soil. An organically rich, loamy soil with sharp drainage is ideal. Moreover, eggplant can grow in a soil pH that ranges from slightly acidic to slightly alkaline. Now let's talk about the water. Water regularly to keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. It's a good idea to use some kind of mulch such as straw or wood chips to cover the soil and help retain moisture. But as it is the rainy season, you can remove the mulch. Now let's talk about the fertilizer. When planting seedlings, mix garden soil with kitchen waste compost. Fertilize again when the first eggplants are very small with kitchen waste compost. But when the plant have started having buds or have started blooming flowers, give fertilizers rich with potassium, calcium and phosphorus. My mom uses banana peel fertilizers, onion peel fertilizers and a few amount of eggshell fertilizer. You can also use rice water fertilizer as daily basis. this is how we take care of the brinjal plant or the eggplant and harvest a lot of brinjals. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Thank you for watching.